Good morning, everyone. It's Tony from Rolling Faith. I'm here in Summerfield, Florida, and I'm about to pick up my my teardrop trailer, aka Runaway trailer, sitting outside the gate property, and pretty excited. And hopefully, I can get some good video of me picking it up. All right, talk to you in a bit. I am inside Runaway property, just opened up here at Rolling Faith, and here's the first look at my Runaway. AKA extra bedroom. Here it is. Nice Runaway trailer. It's the big box. Little AC, double shelves, spare tire. Hopefully that'll go underneath. Electrical outlets. Electrical plug. Lights. A propane tank. Cargo rack. View from the other side. Cargo rack. Nope. Pretty simple. Well, here I am. I made it home, my home base, and Runaway fit into my garage pretty smoothly. Got plenty of clearance as they advertised, and just vacuumed it out and doing these little mattresses that I had pre-ordered just to get an idea. But yep, looks good, fits good. Now the fun starts.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Fun start making my mods and having fun with it and testing everything out. But it's the first sneak peek of what it looks like. Got the nice double shelves. Yep. Wish I can get my van in here too, but Only Faith is gonna have to stay outside for a little bit. Here's a little video from the inside. Testing out the AC real quick. Nice air fan. Obviously I got the doors open, but let's see what it feels like. Here we got bed mode. Set up for bedtime time. As you can see, my feet Plenty of room. Nice and comfy.